Headline: Current and former OpenAI employees warn of AI's serious risks and lack of oversight. Anchor: In a significant development, a group of current and former employees from OpenAI has issued an open letter warning about the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence technology, citing serious risks and a concerning lack of oversight. The letter, published on Tuesday, raises critical questions about the financial incentives driving AI companies to avoid effective regulation and highlights the urgent need for stronger whistleblower protections. Reporter: The letter is signed by several notable individuals, including 4 current and 7 former employees of OpenAI, as well as prominent AI researchers Geoffrey Hinton, Yoshua Bengio, and Stuart Russell. The employees express deep concerns over the industry's trajectory, particularly the substantial non-public information that AI companies possess regarding their technology's capabilities, safety measures, and potential risks. According to the letter, companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and Meta, which are leading the generative AI arms race, are expected to generate over $1 trillion in revenue within the next decade, creating strong financial incentives to sidestep effective oversight. The employees argue that these companies have weak obligations to share critical information with governments and no requirements to share it with civil society, making voluntary transparency unreliable. They also highlight the insufficiency of existing whistleblower protections within the AI industry. The letter criticizes broad confidentiality agreements that prevent employees from voicing their concerns externally, except to the very companies that may be failing to address these issues. To address these concerns, the letter calls for several key actions: the elimination of non-disparagement agreements, the creation of anonymous reporting processes for employees to voice concerns to company boards, regulators, and other entities, support for a culture of open criticism, and assurances against retaliation for public whistleblowing if internal processes fail. The open letter also reflects broader discontent within the AI community about the prioritization of product development over safety. Notably, former OpenAI team leader Jan Like expressed his concerns on social media, stating that the company's focus has shifted away from security and societal impact, leading to internal conflicts and high-profile departures. Like emphasized the need for OpenAI to become a safety-first AGI company, warning that building smarter-than-human machines is inherently dangerous and requires a significant focus on security, monitoring, preparedness, safety, and societal impact. OpenAI has faced additional scrutiny recently for its controversial decisions, including the disbandment of its team focused on long-term AI risks and requiring former employees to sign non-disparagement agreements to retain their vested equity. An OpenAI spokesperson acknowledged the importance of rigorous debate and pointed to existing measures such as an anonymous integrity hotline and a safety and security committee. However, these measures have not fully alleviated concerns within the company or the broader AI community. In response to the letter, OpenAI's leadership, including CEO Sam Altman, has acknowledged the need for more work and emphasized their commitment to raising awareness of the risks and opportunities associated with artificial general intelligence, AGI. Despite these assurances, the employees' letter underscores the urgent need for more robust governance and oversight mechanisms in the AI industry to ensure ethical development and mitigate potential risks. The growing debate over AI oversight and safety highlights the complex challenges facing the industry as it continues to innovate and expand. As AI technologies become increasingly integrated into various sectors, the call for greater transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations is becoming louder and more urgent. The open letter from OpenAI employees serves as a stark reminder of the high stakes involved and the need for concerted efforts to address the serious risks posed by advanced AI technologies.